Hi, I'm Denise, and I got a full mouth restoration here at NuSmile Dental.
When I first met Denise and started talking to her, I found out right away that I was looking at someone who had been through a lot of pain and trauma with her teeth. She was very frustrated to the point of being hopeless.
It's really hard when you can't smile. You shut yourself down and withdraw. I just wasn't able to be myself or smile or laugh like I wanted to. And I realized I couldn't keep going on like that, so it was just time. I had to do something. I've known Jeremy since he was a young man. I had seen what he'd done in the past, and I thought, I have to go to him. He'll know exactly what to do, how to fix it, and he did. I mean, that first day, we laid out a plan of how to correct it, how to make sure it was viable for both of us, and the feeling you get when you know that someone can help you, it's overwhelming. It's life-changing. You have something back you never thought you'd have again.
When I saw the hope kind of light up in her face, that she might be able to actually have a beautiful smile once again, I got excited, she got excited, and within a very short time, we had her back to wholeness again. Her teeth were back, she was chewing again, she could eat, she could smile with confidence, and it was an amazing journey. It was really a fun thing to be a part of.
My children, husband, and everybody, and they were just amazed. They said it took 20 years of my life, you know? So in my experience, if you need something like this done, if you need a little bit, if you need a lot, don't be afraid. Don't put it off. Come down to NuSmile and let them restore who you were, who you are. He has such capabilities. He makes something that seemed impossible a miracle.